Hello little yogis! Today, we're joining Rumi on a magical yoga adventure. Rumi has discovered a secret butterfly map that leads to amazing places all around the world. Every time she does a yoga pose, the butterflies show her a new adventure. We'll visit enchanted forests, peaceful temples, sparkling beaches, snowy mountains, and even magical castles. Along the way, we'll stretch, balance, breathe, and help Rumi complete her exciting missions. Are you ready to follow the butterflies and begin our yoga journey? Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let's start our yoga adventure. Rumi follows the butterflies to an ancient temple hidden beneath pink cherry blossoms. A wise butterfly master asks her to become a brave warrior and protect the temple's golden bell. Rumi stretches her arms wide and stands strong. Suddenly, a gentle breeze rings the bell. The butterflies smile. You have the heart of a true warrior. Today, Rumi has entered the butterfly garden. The butterflies tell her that the oldest magical tree needs help standing tall during a windy day. Rumi places one foot on her leg and grows into a strong tree. The wind blows gently, but she stays balanced. The butterflies dance around her branches and cheer. You did it! Rumi, the magical tree is safe again. The butterflies guide Rumi to the tallest mountain in the world. To reach the sunrise crystal, she must stand as tall and strong as the mountain itself. Rumi stands proudly while the clouds float beneath her feet. The crystal begins to glow and lights up the entire sky. Rumi arrives in a golden desert where a hidden oasis has disappeared. Following the butterflies, she becomes a friendly camel crossing the dunes. As she stretches toward the sky, water suddenly sparkles in the distance. The oasis is found once again. The butterflies lead Rumi beneath the sparkling sea. A friendly dolphin asks for help finding a hidden treasure chest. Rumi becomes a playful dolphin and swims through colorful coral reefs. Soon, she discovers the treasure and shares it with her ocean friends. Tonight is the Fairy Kingdom Dance Festival, but the music crystal won't shine. Rumi becomes a graceful dancer and performs her magical pose. The crystal begins glowing, and the whole ballroom fills with music and laughter. High above the clouds, the butterflies ask Rumi to deliver a magical feather. She wraps her wings and balances like a mighty eagle. The wind becomes stronger, but Rumi stays steady. The feather safely reaches its destination. The butterflies have discovered a hidden castle, but the magical gate won't open. The character stretches tall in gate pose and reaches toward the shining key hidden among the flowers. As the key glows, the castle gates slowly open, revealing a wonderful new adventure. Tonight, the butterflies lead Rumi into a magical moon garden. The moon fairy has lost her shining moon crystal, and without it, the night sky cannot sparkle. Rumi carefully balances like a glowing half moon, reaching toward the stars. Suddenly, a silver light appears among the flowers. The missing moon crystal is found. The moon fairy smiles, the stars begin to twinkle, and the butterflies dance happily through the moonlit sky. The butterflies lead the character deep into the emerald jungle. A baby tiger has wandered away from its family and needs help finding its way home. Rumi stretches into tiger pose and carefully follows the glowing butterfly trail through the trees. Suddenly, a happy roar echoes through the jungle. The baby tiger runs back to its family, and the butterflies celebrate with a magical dance. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Subscribe for more yoga adventures with Rumi. Bye!